Good everyone and welcome to another episode of Nnadi.B.C computer tutorials for beginners. Now, as the host of this channel, I'd love to welcome you to the part 2 of our episode 4. Now, let's get before we get started, make sure to subscribe to get the next video we'll post, and make sure to like and leave a comment. Thank you. So let's proceed. Now, I promised that we'll go into our practical session at part 2. So this is our practical session. Now I've opened my Microsoft Word. Now you can see it is greeting me with a either blank document or various templates for me to choose. You can see? So I'll go with the original letter. Origin letter. Now you can see, because I'm signed in into Microsoft Word, I've already imputed my name as the sender. So let's see, we have here, you can see this is how the letter is going to look like, but they've already redesigned this for you. So let's go back to home. Let's click on blank documents this time. Now that I've clicked on a blank document, you can see nothing is designed for us. So let's start our typing. As we said, immediately after I've created a document, save it. So I'll go to my files and I'll click on save as my computer, browse, and choose where I want to save it. I'll save it on my desktop. You can see it is saved in a docx form. So I'll name doc2. Now that it is saved, you can see it there. Now we will begin our typing. Now let's do a letter. Now we can say let's design something for my channel. Now you watch me. Now I'll be typing. You can see as I just clicked on the interface and I've started typing. Now, as you can see, I've typed the name of the channel. Now as I've typed this, it isn't too bold, right? Yes, it isn't too bold. And I want it to be in a heading form. So what I'll do is that I'll use my mouse. You can see I'll double click here, drag it until the very end. Once I've done that, you see all these things here. Now let me click on one to change the handwriting. I would like let's see, this. Now that I've changed the font style, let's change the size. You can see as I'm clicking on this, it's increasing. So this should be okay. Now, as you can see, it's not still bold enough. I need to bolden it. Bold. Now you can see that some changes has taken place. What we are doing now is called formatting. Now bolding, I need to italic is slanting the more. I want to underline it. See, but I will not need to underline it. So let's go into coloring it. Now let me choose no yellow, control red. Yes, red is probably. Now let's write something underneath it. But if I want to type something, it will still be in this format. No, I don't want it like that. So what I will do, enter, enter, come back here, change change some few things, put it to a smaller one, remove the italic, reduce the handwriting. Now you can see as we have done it, it will not be like this, but the only thing is the color will be there. Now let's say join us on YouTube. Now give me a second. Now we said join us on YouTube. Now I want it to be a different color. Oh, come here, highlight it up to here. Come here, choose blue or aqua. Now I can see it has changed. Now we have done most of the things we said we'd do. Now let's go to highlights. Now I'll select the text I want to highlight. Come over here, the one with the paintbrush, and choose the color I want. Let's choose, yeah, no. Yes. Now you can see it has been highlighted. So what else? Highlight. Now let's go into others, like listing. Now I want to list, let me just say something like laptop, computer, mouse. Now I want to what do you call it, list all this. I'll come here and I choose the one I want. Let's choose the old fashioned. Come here, and we can see it. Now I've just bulleted it. Now doesn't that look a lot better than if we do this? If we do this, it wants to look fine, right? But now that we have designed it, it looks beautiful. So let's go here. Now we said we'll show you about the text, what do you call it, text alignment. Now text alignment is over here. Now what do you mean? This is the line spacing, sorry. Now the meaning of line spacing, you can see the gap between these journals on YouTube and the gap between Nnadi.B.C compared to tutorials. Let me say it's too small. I want to increase it. I'll come here, click on 3.0, and you can see it has increased with a massive difference. There is no an enter key. Once I just press my arrow key down, it goes down. See? But if I want it to be back to now, come to 1. So let's leave it on 2. So we have changed the line spacing, the text alignment. Let me see. I want this to be in the center. You see all this now is on the left. It's aligned to the left. No, here's aligned to the center, to the right, and to justify it. So I want to align it to the center, this one to the left, this one to the right, and this to be justified. Oh, sorry, this to the right. Now justified is not like the normal left. Assuming our text was long and I justified it, you can see how all these lines were. It will be in a organized manner. So that's the text alignment. Now we say we'll go to the indentation. To decrease the indentation rate, just like to move your text. Sorry, sorry, made a mistake. Yes, to move your text. Sit away. We want to move our text. I can see I can even choose to put the center from here over here and this one. Yes, yeah. I can see I've changed the positioning. So now let's go. Let's save it again. Go to files. This time not save as because we already saved it. Now just click on save and your work will be saved. So now that I've saved the work again, let's check out the print view. Now I clicked on Ctrl P right about now. You see a menu that will pop up. Just give it on instead of a menu, it took us to a place. Now this is what our document will look like when we print it. To show you the pages you want to print, the type of is it A4 paper, 3-4, any type, the margins, all these things can be corrected in the copies. So we don't want to print it. Now I think I have touched every part. So thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.